Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to use dual apps on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Now there are two methods to use dual apps on your iPhone. For the first method, just open the App Store, then in the search bar just search this. Then install this app. Tap on Install, then tap on Open. Tap on Continue, then select Ask App Not to Track. Select I have read and understand the privacy policy and tap on Continue. Now just select parallel space, then tap on the plus icon. Now from here just select the app for which you want to create a clone of. For an example, I will select Instagram. And as you can see, we have successfully created a clone of the Instagram app. Just like that. Now for the second method, just open the Safari web browser. Then in the search bar, just search the name of the app which you want to create a clone of. For an example, I will search Instagram. Now from here, just tap on the share icon. And from this menu, you will find the option of add to home screen. Just tap on it. Now just give a name for the clone app. For an example, I will name it Instagram 2. Then tap on add. And by doing that, you will create a clone of the Instagram app. Just like that. But remember that this method does not work on all the apps on your iPhone. It only works on a few apps like Instagram and Facebook. And this is how you can use dual apps on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.